Yaha, I'm back again. You thought I was going to start off looking the other way. Nope, it is right at sunset here in town. I'm just getting finished clearing out all the snow from the storm. As you can see, we've got clear skies to help us get down to 0 tonight. But I got my walkway cleared off. Got the critters dug out. Got the car mostly dug out. Not getting too carried away with the car because who knows how long it'll be before a plow comes down my street. And right down there at the curb is where cars go to get stuck. And every single one of these driveways had a car stuck in it in the last storm, so I'm not even going to try. But we survived. Let me run in the house and grab my yardstick. We'll run out to the yard and take a couple measurements before we kind of wrap this whole thing up here. This stuff out here is solid ice. Hopefully it melts before the mail runs tomorrow. The sun's gonna be out. So hopefully, let's see, right out here looks like a spot that I didn't touch with anything. So we'll grab it down in there. And what do we got, about 5 1/4? Do it again, we got 6. Walk down here a little bit farther. And we again got about 5 1/2. Maybe right at 5 on that one. And people coming out to play in the snow down the road. About 5 again. Let's go out here. About 6, so I'd say we'd call this about 5 1/2 inches then. So, could have definitely been much worse, especially in regards to the ice. But the winds have even calmed down surprisingly. I wasn't expecting that so soon. Figured it'd still be blowing around for a while. But yay, I have snow piles again, and we have another storm coming next Thursday. But that's still a week off, so a lot can change. Whew. So, head back up on the porch. I don't know, that might be closer to like 8 or 10 inches deep. That's where all my snow's been blowing off the roof. My little snowlagmites, as I like to call them. They're officially called cornices, but that doesn't sound that cool. Plow truck. It's not a city plow though, that's a private one. Alright, well, thanks everyone for watching through this storm with me. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you're new around here. And we will see you on the next video. Oh, and yes, I have my gloves off so I can actually shut the camera off this time. Bye-bye.